Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete the keywords from a Google Ads campaign. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, then simply click on enter. After that you have to simply type in Google Ads in the Google search bar, then you have to simply go to the first website from here, and once you are here what you need to do is simply click on the sign in option or the start now button according to your preferences, and then it will simply take you to a page like this. Then what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon in the left hand side, and once you click on the campaigns icon you have to simply expand the audiences, keywords and content option from here, and then you have to just simply click on the keywords, and now you can show all the keywords that you are currently running in your campaigns, and then you have to simply choose the campaigns that you would like to remove. So let's say I would like to go for this one. Simply select this one, then you have to simply click on the edit option in the top navigation bar, and after that here in the left hand side you will get the option of remove option. Here you have to just simply click on it, and after that it will simply remove the keywords from that campaign. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.